Hi friends, welcome to Your Buddy. Your Buddy is there for you, always and forever.
Hi friends, welcome to Your Buddy once again. I hope that you have watched our previous videos in which we shared some methods of calculating really fast using Vedic mathematics. If you haven't seen our previous videos, please see because they have some very useful tricks for you to follow. Now, in this video, we'll be sharing how to find square of numbers which are near 10, 100, 1000 and so on. For example, suppose you have to find the square of 9. So, what is the Vedic mathematics way of doing that? Square of 9. So, 9 is what? 9 is 10 minus 1. So, 10 minus 1 is what? 9. So, what happens is that you subtract this 1 from 9 to get the first part of your answer. Remember, this sign is very important. You have 10 minus 1, so you will subtract minus 1 from 9. This is the base of 10 because this number is near 10, so this is the base of 10. So this 8 will now go here as our first part of the answer. For the second part of the answer, what you have to do is you have to square this. So square of minus 1 is what? It is 1. You get your answer. Now similarly, for example, if you have to find the square of say 7. So how will you do that? Now what happens is that 10 minus 3 is what? It is 7. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So now you have to subtract this from 7. So you get 4. This is your first part of the answer. So you get 4. For the second part of the answer, you have to square minus 3. Minus 3 square is what? 9. You get your answer. Now let's move forward and see some examples which are greater than 10. The base is still the same 10 because we are taking numbers near to 10 right now. So let's suppose you have to find the square of 12. So how will you do that? Now 12 is what? 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So this plus 2. Now you have to add because here the symbol is plus 2. So the first part of your answer will be 12 plus 2. 14. So you will have 14. Then for the second part of your answer, square this, you get your answer. Now for example, you have to find the square of 18. How will you do that? Now 18 is what? 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. So you have this plus 8. 18 plus 8 is what? 26. So you get your first part of the answer over here. You get 26. For the second part of the answer, you have to square this plus 8. And 8 square is what? 64. But we are using the base of 10 because these numbers are, we are calculating 10 plus 8. The base is 10. And because the base is 10, we can have only one digit over here. Similarly, if the base is 100, you will have 2 digits over here. If the base is 1000, you will have 3 digits over here. But because now the base is 10, we have 1 digit over here. And the square of 8 is 64. So what do? We write 4 here and we write 6 here for carrying forward. I'll rub this so that you can understand it better. So you write 4 here write 6 here. Now 4, you add 6 to this 6, 12, 1 carry, 2 and 1 3, and this is your answer. Isn't that simple, quick, fast, efficient? Yes, it is, because this is Vedic mathematics, and Vedic mathematics has so much that we can keep on learning and improving ourselves. Now, let's say we have to find the square of 94. So, how do we go about this? Now, 94 is what? 100 minus 6 is 94. So, for the first part of our answer, we get 94 minus 6, that is 88. And then for the second part of the answer, you square minus 6, which will be 36. This is your answer. Now, for example, 98 square. What will be the answer? You will have 100 minus 2 is 98. So 98 minus 2 is what? 96. You get your first part of the answer, 96. And then you square this. This is what? 4. But remember, the base is what? 100. So you want 2 digits over here. So we will add a 0 to make it 2 digits, and we get our answer. Now, let's say we have to find the square of 106. How do we do that? Square of 106. So 100 plus 6 is 106, and now 106 and this plus 6 will be added to this to make the first part of the answer. And for the second part of the answer, you square this, and this is 2 digits, no need for adding any zeros or something, so you get your answer. Now, for example, what is 112 square? 100 plus 12 is 112. So 112 plus 12 is what? 124. And for the second part of your answer, 12 square. You square this, which is what? 144. But remember, you can have only 2 digits over here because this is the base of 100. So you write 44 and you write 1 here. Once again, I'll rub it so that you can see it clearly. You will write like this. So now 4, you add this 1 to 4. This is your answer. Isn't that simple? Now, let's say we have to calculate the square of 997. So, what will we do? So, 997 is what? 1000 minus 3. So, 997 minus 3 is 994. This is our first part of the answer. Then, for the second part of the answer, you square this. This is 9. The square is 9. But remember, because the base is 1000, we have 3 digits over here. So the answer will be That will be the answer. Now, let's say we have to find the square of 1013, say. So 1013. So this is what? 1000 plus 13 is 1013, and 1013 plus 13 is 1026. So this is the first part of the answer. Then for the second part of the answer, we have the square of 13, which is 169. So this is 3 digits. We have your answer. So calculating using Vedic mathematics is really simple, quick and fast. But what if, suppose you have to multiply, say, 82 with 88. Now this, as you can see, the first digit is same in the two numbers, that is 8, and the sum of the second digits, that is 2 and 8, is what? That is 10. Similarly, 74 multiplied by 76. 7 is same. 4 plus 6 is what? 10. Multiplication of, say, 118 with 112. 11 is same. 8 plus 2 is 10. This is a special type of multiplication, and we will cover it in our next video. And I assure you, this is as fast as the method we are currently using. So Vedic mathematics has so many methods to share, which we will keep on sharing. As we told, this is going to be a very long series. So please like our videos, share with as many people as possible, because when you share our video, our reach increases and it will help us to reach each and everyone all around the world. Please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new video. Please support us, help us grow. Your buddy is there for you. Thank you.
We really hope that you liked our video as well as gained some useful info. We will continually post more and more interesting and informative videos in the upcoming future. So, please share our videos as much as possible. Hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.